Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and welcome to today's video. I'm going to tidy up my kitchen. As always, you know I have two rooms. There's a kitchen and a bedroom. That's what we all have. So it will always be a kitchen and a bedroom. Now I am going to clean up my kitchen. It's not that dirty. I try to keep it off dirt now and then, so I'm just gonna tidy up. It's not gonna take me a lot of time, so let's get into cleaning. Okay, before we go to cleaning, give this video a like. It helps with the algorithm. Guys, give this video a like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who've been here with me, like, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I don't know how to, I will thank you. If I knew you personally, I would come door to door and say thank you guys. But through this video, I thank you for every little support, for every much more support, for everything that you're doing to my channel. Thank you guys. Now, like the video. I'm looking at you. Just press that like. Let's go to the cleaning. It was indeed a beautiful Saturday morning. As you can see, I was dancing, and I used to listen to this Nigerian songs that I love so much. So they have that soothing rhythm, and I dance as I go. So they keep me busy, and I cannot even feel the work that I'm doing, even though it's an everyday work. But I do love working and dancing at the same time while listening to the music that I love so much. So yeah, that's me dancing, so don't mind me. Here we are doing cleaning motivation videos, laundry videos, and grocery hauls. Guys, I have been uploading short videos. Please go check them out. That's where I show you how I keep my space so clean and how I do it and how many times I do it. So go check them out. They are just short videos under 5 minutes. Oh, you go girl. Hey, hi bo, come on. So let's get into today's video. I am going to be cleaning my kitchen and making it clean, prepare to go to do some other things later.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent.
open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
And I have a new broom, guys. I bought a new broom recently. The old one was finished and the stick was also broken. It was half the length of the original length, so sometimes it was a problem to bend down and sweep.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Who or what are you now looking for? I got to believe my love wasn't enough. You are in every dream and everything I lay my eyes on. What are you looking for when you look at me? You gotta know.
Did I tell you guys that I love my tiles? I do love the way they shine. I love how easy they are for cleaning and mopping. They are so lovable. So the way they're shining, I do love them.
I was You are in every dream and everything I lay my
Thank you guys for joining me in today's video, and if you made it this far, thank you also. Don't forget to watch those ads. If it's your first time here, my name is Elizabeth. Do consider subscribing to this channel because we do a lot of cleaning motivation videos and you will not regret it. I am sure at the end of the day you will get motivated. Thank you for joining me today and I love you so much. Bye guys.